I got caught in the crossfires of a viral post on another platform yesterday, and here's how it went. I was scrolling on Facebook yesterday and I saw this post. This mom used a Sharpie to color her kid's medicine red because he refused to take it otherwise. I commented that I thought it was super clever. Way to go, mom, for getting things done creatively. 2,000 reactions and hundreds of comments and replies later, here's what I've learned. Most people were thinking along the same lines as me. Way to get it done. But there was a small population of men who really took offense at me complimenting a mom because I didn't also compliment dads. Actually, it went a lot deeper than that. They assumed that because I said moms are capable of anything, that automatically meant I was saying that dads are capable of nothing. That's obviously a whole lot of context being read in there. I happen to think dads are equally as amazing as moms, and kids need both. It's crazy the things that people will say, the things that they will assume about people that they've never even met. When you show up online and champion your target audience, there will be people who oppose it. It's unfortunate, but it's true, and you can't let it stop you. After all, other people's opinions of you are none of your business. Keep doing your thing, moms and dads. You're doing awesome.